What's going on? This is Legend About the Kicks. Subscribe to that channel. Young Bleu. Barely little Boosie alone, man. You mess with Boosie because you know he got the ankle bracelet on his neck. Listen, that nigga put you in the game, mind you. He put you in the game. He got you signed. You signed to his label. Why are you picking on him? Young Bleu, he could find you. It's no problem. You talking all this stuff about Boosie, man. You live in Atlanta, Georgia. Anybody could just Google you, man. You need to chill out, man. Like, for real. People who put you in the game, man, you don't shit on them, man. You know what I'm saying? Just pay him what he want and try to get off the label. Get off the label. It's not that hard, man. You signed to him. Black and white. It doesn't matter. I'm telling you now. You ain't going to win that law. You're not going to win in court. You're not. Listen, Future tried to do it to, what's his name, Rocco? He tried to do it to Rocco and lost. Had to pay him $15 million. And you going to do the same thing. Future had signed another deal without Rocco knowing, and then Rocco found out and sued him. Rocco didn't stop him from putting his music out. Rocco got his $15 million, and you ain't hear from Rocco since then. And when that was in like around 2016, 17, you haven't heard nothing about Rocco. He took that $15 million and he left. And Boosie gonna do the same thing. He might not get 15 million, but he gonna get a couple millions. You need to chill out, man. Don't shit on the guys who put you on. And that's about a lot of these artists that get big, like Nelly and all them. They only putting people on because people always shit on you. You know? Next topic, let's go. Salute to Diddy. I know y'all gonna say, oh, Diddy robbed everybody. But listen, the 360 deal's been going on since the 90s. I know everybody said, oh, it started in the mid-2000s, around 2009, 2000. No. Diddy been doing that shit for years. You know what I'm saying? Years. 112, Faith Evans, Notorious B.I.G, Mase, all got their publishing back. Salute to them. But remember when their songs was hot? You couldn't get them dudes off the radio? I'm not saying it ain't worth nothing now. It is. It's worth money. But Notorious B.I.G, Faith Evans, 112, and Mase got their publishing back. Salute to them, man. Puffy made a lot of money in the last 25 years off that. He could have been a dirty dude and sold it for $100 million. You know what I'm saying? He could have. Because you know how it goes. When you get a hit song, then you can sell your publishing. You could do a little something with it and all that. And Diddy, he got so much money, he could have just, he could have sold it if he wanted to and made another $100 million and gave it to his kids. You know what I'm saying? Gave it to his new daughter he just got. You know, he could have did that. I mean, it helped them out. I mean, Faith Evans maybe don't need the money. Biggie Smalls definitely don't need the money. Mase, I'm not gonna say he need the money, but it's good to have more money. You know what I'm saying? 112, I think they need the money. You know what I'm saying? They haven't put a hit out in like 15, 16 years. Faith Evans, yeah, she put out independent albums, but they don't sell. But you gotta understand this. When you was with Bad Boys, you went platinum or double platinum or triple platinum. When all these artists left, like 112, Faith Evans, Mase, we're not gonna say Biggie because he died. They all flop. They haven't put out a hit album since then. You know, Mase left and never went to a different label, but when he's with Bad Boys, he went platinum and gold. 112, their first 3 albums went triple platinum. When they left and went to sign with Def Jam, their first album went gold. Their second album didn't do nothing. You feel me? When Faith Evans left in 2004, she had 3 platinum albums back to back. 3 platinum albums back to back. When she signed with Columbia, she went gold, and the last couple albums she came out with been independent. Haven't hit sing platinum since. So you gotta get credit for that. They maybe wrote a lot of songs, but Diddy made them do stars. But yeah, he did. You know? Next topic. Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion dropping another single. WAP was a smash. 10 times platinum, #1, all that stuff. It's gonna be hard to make a song like that again. It's gonna be hard. You know, I don't like making them Stallion no more because I feel like, she did Tory wrong. So I don't really fuck with Megan no more. Cardi B, I like Cardi B. I don't mess with Megan like that. I'm gonna listen to the song, come out on Friday. I guess Cardi B really trying to put this album out, man. Now we gonna see if the song do good or not. I mean, it's Megan and Cardi, so they put them two together. She do 1 million views the first day. It should. And if it don't do 1 million views, then you know people don't really care about it. But it gotta be hot. Don't care if your name is Megan and Cardi. If the song ain't hot, people ain't gonna watch it. You gonna have a few people watch it, but we'll see how I do. It's hard to make a big hit like you did the first hit. I'm not saying they can't do it, but Cardi B reaching real hard to get these singles out and put this album on. See, we'll see what happens, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna listen to it, but like I said, I'm not a Megan fan no more. I used to like her, but I don't. I feel like, she did Tory wrong, and Tory, I can't blame her or everything for her neither, but, she should just took that L and kept it moving, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. But listen, man, subscribe to the channel, put a like on the button, share this to your friends and family. We out. Peace.